Hi, this tutorial is about entry-level techniques for massage near the spine. I am Ulf Pape from Germany and have been teaching massage therapists, osteopaths, and physiotherapists for many decades. If you want to be a brilliant massage therapist, osteopath, or manual therapist, then I recommend you subscribe to this channel. In this tutorial, you will learn 3 basic techniques and will get started. Put one leg up on the bench so that you can release your power from your center of gravity. Position your palms close to the upper thoracic spine. Slowly slide your palms downwards bilaterally above the sacrum. Then melt your hands and fingers into the myofascial tissue of the crista iliaca laterally. Then move your hands back. As you do so, pull your fingertips over the intercostal muscles. Now perform the maneuver with crossed forearms. Then slide the backs of your hands down close to your spine. When returning, use the palms of your hands again. This technique is similar to painting a wall. Now follow the techniques for the cervical spine, which I will show you in another tutorial. I hope you were able to learn something from these simple techniques. The most important thing is to get one leg up on the bench. This is the only way you can optimally release power from your center of gravity. Practice this first with the simple techniques as you see in this tutorial. Move more and more like the water and the wind while massaging. Then you will become a master of bodywork. Thank you for your attention.